Welcome to SentimenTrader. This guide shows you how to convert the platform's professional indicators into your own custom trading signals within MySignal. Let's begin by logging into the platform. First, navigate to the Indicators page. This is the core data toolkit of the platform, systematically housing a vast library of quantitative indicators across various dimensions, from market sentiment and macroeconomic data to seasonality. You can explore and discover indicators by browse through categories, or, if you have a specific indicator in mind, use the global search bar at the top to locate it directly. For this demonstration, we will use the short-term combined model. Search for and click on the short-term combined model to access its detailed view. Here, you will find its intricate construction and a threshold return analysis, which reveals its unique historical performance characteristics. When you are ready to convert these insights into a strategy, click the Backtest This Indicator button. This will seamlessly transition you to our Backtest Engine. The system will intelligently pre-populate the short-term combined model as the core condition for your strategy. In this environment, you can perform deep customizations. For instance, you can change the symbol and benchmark from SPX to QQQ. Furthermore, you can define specific entry and exit conditions. Let's set the entry condition to trigger when the short-term combined model value falls below -10, and the exit condition for when its value exceeds 13.5. Once you have configured the parameters, click Run Backtest. The platform will instantly generate a comprehensive report. You can evaluate the strategy's performance by analyzing key metrics within this report, such as rate of return and maximum drawdown, allowing for iterative optimization. When you are satisfied with the optimized strategy, proceed to your backtest list. Locate the corresponding record, and click the Add to My Signals button to formally deploy it. This action transforms a static historical backtest into a dynamic, forward-looking, real-time signal. The final step is to enable automated monitoring. Your personal MySignal dashboard will list and continuously monitor all of your deployed strategies. After clicking on MySignal Intro and enabling the MySignal Alerts feature, the system will promptly notify you via email the moment market conditions meet your predefined rules. This ensures you never miss a trading opportunity that you have constructed. By following these steps, you can systematically build personalized trading strategies from professional data analysis. Give it a try.